We stopped production because we have something going on that I just need to share with you guys. It's kind of a sad moment on the job site. This gnome is going down and it's time, and we're gonna hold a service for Mr. Waterpot Gnome. Mr. Gnome, you served a good life here. I don't know what you're watering, maybe the algae on this rock or something, but it's time for you to go. We feel very bad, but not that bad. Mildly therapeutic. You know, it's not every day you get to take your anger out on something, but today was the day. Sorry, Mr. Gnome.